Hi there, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I'm here to explain 9.JJ.2 experimental probability. So this is the same as theoretical probability, only the last one was only in theory. Now we're going to see like real life situations, okay? Remember that we're talking about statistics and probability, mostly probability. The first one says, at an ice cream shop, 4 of the last 16 cones sold had mocha ice cream. What is the experimental probability that the next cone sold will have mocha ice cream? Okay, so in other words, what is the probability to be mocha? Okay, so in this situation, this one. In this situation, the total is 16. Okay, this is the total. And the probability or the mocha ones are 4. Okay, so 4 out of 16 have been mocha, right? So we only need to simplify this. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So this is the probability that the next cone will have mocha. So the answer will be 1/4. All right. So we write 1/4. Terrific. So Brina has worn a brown shirt on 2 of the last 18 days. What is the probability that Brina will wear a brown shirt tomorrow? Okay, so in this case, we only need to do the same. So the total of days are 18, and the days that she has worn a brown shirt is 2. So we only simplify this and it is going to be 1/9. So this is the probability that Brina will wear a brown shirt tomorrow. Okay, so we just answer that 1/9 and that's it. Okay, so boats from all along the Atlantic coast dock at a busy marina. Of the first 14 boats to dock at the marina one day, 4 were from Virginia. Okay, so in this case, the total of boats were 14 and 4 boats were from Virginia. So they are asking you or asking us about the probability that the next boat from Virginia, what is the probability? So we only simplify this. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And this is it. We cannot simplify this anymore. And this is our final answer, 2/7. That's our probability. Okay. Ellie surveyed six students at his school about their favorite professional sport. Of the students surveyed, 3 said hockey was their favorite sport. What is the experimental probability that the next student Eli talks to will pick hockey? So Eli surveyed a total of 6 students, and 3 of them said that hockey was their favorite sport. So if we simplify this, it is going to be 1/2. Okay, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So this is our final answer, 1/2. All right, 1/2. Oopsie. Sorry. Okay, 1/2. Okay. Jeanette is bird watching at the coast. She has seen 5 egrets out of 10 total birds. What is the experimental probability that the next bird Jeanette sees will be an egret? Okay, so it is pretty easy. So we only said that the total is 10. 5 of them have been egrets, and so it equals 1/2 again. So the answer is 1/2. Okay, remember, you don't need to watch the whole video. You can just skip the rest and go straight to the what? Yeah, to your work. From a sample tray, 2 of the last 4 cake samples chosen were chocolate. What is the experimental probability that the next one is going to be chocolate? So it's 2 out of 4. So the experimental probability, or the probability, will be 1/2. Okay. Garrett surveyed some students at school about their favorite colors. Of the students surveyed, 10 said red was their favorite color, while 10 of the students had other favorite colors. What is the experimental probability that the next student Garrett talks to will pick red? So 10 said red, and other 10 said other colors. So the total of the students surveyed were 20. Okay, and out of those 20, 10 said that their favorite colors was red. So it gives us a probability of 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 is our probability. The Organic Cafe recently served 6 pastries, including 3 blueberry cones. Oh, pretty easy. What is the experimental probability that the next pastry served will be a blueberry scone? So 3 out of 6, so it's the half, right? So 1/2 is the probability. All right. Diana supplies costumes to a number of theater companies and recently lent out a number of different hats. Okay, so she lent 9 corporate hats, 3 berets, and 3 mortarboards. What is the experimental probability that the next hat requested from Diana's inventory will be a mortarboard? Okay, so first we need to get the total. So 9 plus 3 plus 6 equals 18. So that is our total, right? 18. Now, how many have been mortarboards? 6. Okay, if we simplify this, it is 1/3. All right. So that's going to be our answer, 1/3. Okay, so we have all of these. I am not going to read all of them. I am just going to add them up right here. So it is going to be 18 again. 18. And the question said, what is the experimental probability that the next piece of cake taken will be lemon? So 2 lemons. So the probability is 1/9. All right? Because we simplify this, 2 divided by 2 equals 1, 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So 1/9. Okay, we submit our answer, and actually we have already answered 10 questions. Let me do this other one just in case. So of the last 18 trains to pull into Riverside Station, so I believe there is a total of 18. 14 were full. What is the experimental probability that the next train to pull in will be full? So 14 were full. So we simplify this. Half of 14 is 7. Half of 18 is, 9. Okay, so and this cannot be simplified, so this is our final answer, 7 nines. 7 nines. Okay, and this is it, guys. See, if you have any question, let me know via Edmodo. Otherwise, see you next video. Bye bye.